This time tomorrow, snow will be on the ground in central Arkansas. It's expected to be the biggest winter storm to hit the area in 5 years. Many taking advantage of the quiet weather today before it gets nasty tomorrow. And our Hunter Hoagland joining us live from Kroger in the Heights. Hunter, it was very busy earlier, and how's it looking now?
Hey, Cassandra, still a lot of shoppers out here and honestly a pretty impressive crowd given the fact that it is 10 o'clock at night. Here's what it's looking like right now. We've been here nearly all day. Earlier, like you said, super busy. Shoppers were actually having to park in surrounding neighborhoods to walk over. Others going so far as to circle this parking lot for 10 minutes. But a pretty common thread out here, everybody is here to stock up before the snow. It's the last dash before the next blast of winter. What did you want to come get before the snow hit?
Everything. But I wanted to get everything.
Lines wrapped around the store at a Little Rock Kroger. Bread aisles looking empty.
That's real crazy in there, but people are social distancing or whatever. But it's real crazy. Kind of just park your buggy and go.
Elnora Wesley, one of thousands of shoppers stocking up before shutting in.
We need some food, just in case we get snowed in. We need some food.
Grocery stores not the only one seeing a frenzy. More Robinson Tire says they've sold more of these in 2 days than they've sold in weeks.
We've had a few people come in here asking about snow tires and if we carry them. That is not something that is typically we have in inventory. We live in Little Rock. There's not a lot of snow.
Tyler Stanley has managed here for years, and until this week, he's never even sold a tire chain.
Everybody's extremely nervous. I guess the unexpected is really the biggest problem. We haven't seen snow like this in quite a while.
With multiple snowstorms in next week's forecast.
We got Eggo, we got flour, basic necessities.
Arkansans say it's better safe than sorry.
Everyone is stocking up, buying a whole lot of random things.
And still plenty of time to get what you need before the snow gets bad tomorrow. A lot of these big grocery stores close around 11 o'clock tonight and will reopen around 7 tomorrow morning. For now, live in Little Rock, I'm Hunter Hoagland. Back to you.
Thank you, Hunter.